How to get only the last part of a path in Python? In Python, suppose I have a path like this. How can I get just the folded part?
Use os.path.normPath to strip off any trailing slashes, then os.path.basename gives you the last part of the path. Using only basename gives everything after the last slash, which in this case is.
With Python 3 you can use the pathlib module, pathlib.purapath for example. If you want the last folder name where a file is located.
You could do update 1. This approach works in case you give it. This gives 20pi as the base name. Which is not what you want, I guess. So you could do this. Update 2, as Lars pointed out, making changes so as to accommodate trailing slash.
Here is my approach.
I was searching for a solution to get the last folder name where the file is located. I just used split 2 times, to get the right part. It's not the question, but Google transferred me here.
You